What is Windows Autopilot? Is a cloud-based deployment technology that allows organizations to set up new Windows devices without imaging or manual configuration. What Autopilot actually does. In today's modern workplace, employees can be located anywhere in the world. When a company purchases a new Windows device, it no longer needs to pass through an IT office for setup. With Windows Autopilot, the device is delivered straight to the user. As soon as the user turns it on and signs in, Azure automatically recognizes the device and applies company policies, installs applications, and secures the system. This is the power of Windows Autopilot, a cloud-based solution designed to simplify Windows device deployment using Microsoft Intune and Azure Active Directory.